All right, 6 count and 7 count riff. My last video did not turn out as well as I would have hoped. The audio was off from the video, so I'm going to give a quick update here to make sure that we're all on the same track or same page. So 6 count riff, you're going to start it like a 5. And to add that sixth sound, you're going to pick up that heel, that front heel, and drop it down. Good. And left side as well. Good. It's as simple as that. Just picking up that front heel and dropping it down. Okay. And then 7 is very similar, but now you're going to start with a different heel. So 5 count riff. But now you're going to start with the back heel and then drop the front heel. Okay. Same thing on the left. Good. Try a few in a row here. Okay, so 6, you're just adding that front heel. And 7, you're adding both heels. Great, just wanted to give you a quick update. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.